Did you know that with AI, one single photo can turn into a talking avatar like me? Crazy, right? Today, AI tools can create videos, images, voices, and even full animations in minutes. And the best part, many of these tools are completely free. If you want to learn how to use AI to create amazing content like this, make sure you follow this channel, because I'll be showing you the best AI tools you need to know.
All right, Victoria, come in and show everyone how you created me. I'd be delighted to show you.
To be able to create a long video where your 3D avatar talk with perfect lip sync and consistent character, come over first. I'm going to show you how you can get the image first. So come over to Pinterest. Okay, open your Pinterest. Once you get to your Pinterest, go ahead to search for the image you want to use. I can decide to use any of these images here, but let me just come search for, okay, I've seen what I want. Now here is the particular image I used in my former video. I'm going to come over here, this three dots here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go ahead to download the image. The next step is for you to come over to your browser and then search for, I'm going to mention 3 tools that you can use to turn your image to a 3D avatar. They are very free. You can use ChatGPT to turn your image into 3D avatar. Then you can as well use Wix AI to generate your image. You can as well use Google Gemini. But let me use Wix AI. So I'm going to click on Wix AI and open. Then I'm going to enter tool. Once I click on enter tool, you will see add images. Go ahead to click on add images. Once you click on add images, you see this box here. Click on this box, then you see upload image. Go ahead to upload the image under downloads, right? Then here is the image. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to bring in the image. At this point, you have to wait for it to finish analyzing so that you can be able to prompt it. So it's done analyzing. So I'm going to click here. At this point, here is the image prompt. So I don't want this image prompt. What I want at this point is to turn this particular image to 3D avatar. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. See, here is my prompt. You can screenshot it so that you can use to create your own. I'm going to just click here to send. Then we wait for the results. Here is the original image, and here comes the avatar. I see the 3D avatar. So I'm just going to go ahead to download from here. You see here, I'm going to click here to download the image. Okay, you can see the image has been downloaded. So let's move on to the next step. In animating this image, you can use either View 3, that is Flow, and you can also use Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai gets to give you free credit, about 150 credits every day. So you can use Leonardo.ai. I've already met my daily limit, so I will not use Leonardo.ai. So, and then you can as well use Grok AI. Grok AI is not free, it is paid. And if this is your first time coming across Grok AI, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Grok and then go ahead to install to your mobile phone. If you are using desktop, come over to your browser, search for Grok, and then it will open up for you to sign in with your Google account or your email address. So once you sign into your Grok AI, you will see stage and then start. You will see chat, you will see voice, you will see imagine. So you click on imagine. Once you click on imagine, you come over to, you will see image and you will see video. See image here, see video here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of image. And then we have resolution, you have 480p and you have 720p. So I'm going to be using 720p, and then you have 6 seconds for duration and you also have 10 seconds for duration. So you select the one you want to use. For me, I want to use 10 seconds. Coming down here, you see aspect ratio. You can see 2.3, you see 3.2, 1, and then with 9:16, which is for portrait, Then you see 16.9, which is landscape. So I'm going to be making use of 16.9. So coming down here, I'm going to click here, this plus icon here, to bring in the image. So I'm going to click here. Then here is the image. You can see weeks. So this is the image. So I'm going to click on it to open. Once you bring in the image, you wait for it to finish loading. Then while it is still loading, I'm going to paste something. So here is what I want this image to say. Dialogue, let him use Nigerian accent. You can see I emphasize the kind of accent I want my avatar to use, so that he will not start using maybe American accent when he is putting on akpada, which depicts Nigerian culture, okay, which is Yoruba dress. Okay, so it will not make sense for him to start using American accent. So that's why I indicated here Nigerian accent. Then coming down here, I'm going to quote it so that it will know that this is what I'm asked to say. At this point, I need to start, and then this is where to end. So I'm going to just include quotation mark here. Then I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. Okay, at this point, once everything is ready, I'm going to just hit here to submit. So we have to wait for the results. So at this point, it is done generating. Let me just go ahead to play for us to see.
Did you know that with AI, one single photo can turn into a talking avatar like me? Crazy, right?
Okay, that is lovely. Once it is done generating and you are satisfied, once you are satisfied with the video, come down here to download. You may end up creating your videos without perfect lip sync. So what you have to do is for you to resend it, or maybe you restructure the prompt. Do you understand? So let me just type another thing. Quote it today. Then I'm going to close it. At this point, this is my dialogue. I'm going to click here to send. Always remember to download your video.
Today, AI tools can create videos, images, voices, and even full animations in minutes. And the best part, many of these tools are completely free. Today, AI tools can create videos, images, voices.
Can you hear that? And see, this is just funny because I did not prompt for this text to show on the screen. I did not prompt that, but I'm just surprised that there is text, that the AI had to brought in the text. Okay, but I don't really need this text. I don't need it because it's not even accurate. Like these voices, this is not the correct spelling for it. So I can maybe just go ahead to change it. But that is crazy. It amazes me, yeah, to see this. So for you to, if you are satisfied with that, you just kindly come over here to download your video. You can see, if you notice, there is perfect lip sync and there is consistent character in this video. So that is what you need to do. And then I'm going to just create the last clip. Okay, at this point, okay, this is going to be the last video, because if I want to continue like this, it will take time, and this video might be very, very long, which that is not even my intention. I just want to show you how you can turn your image to 3D avatar and then move further to animating those images. This is the last prompt. I'm going to just kindly go ahead to send.
If you want to learn how to use AI to create amazing content like this, make sure you follow this channel, because I'll be showing you the best AI tools you need to know. If you want to learn how to use AI to create
Can you hear that? Make sure you take action immediately. If you want to know how you can make the most, how you can use AI for your workflow, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yes, because you have a lot to learn. Listen to my AI avatar.
amazing content like this, make sure you follow this channel,
Yes,
because I'll be showing you the best AI tools you need to know. If you want to learn how to use AI to create amazing content like this, make sure you follow this channel,
Yeah,
because
okay.
I'll be showing you the best AI tools you need to know.
Oh yeah, take action, take action, take action, take action immediately. Make sure you subscribe to this channel immediately. Okay, so that is that. I'm going to come over here to download. You can see that. So far have gotten about 3 clips, right? You can continue like this as long as you want to. Yes, you can continue as long as you want to create. And then with that, you will compile everything and then it will become one long video. So let's just move on to that next to the next step of video compilation, where we get to compile our clips to become one long video. The next step, which is the last step, is for you to open your editing software, be it CapCut, InShot, whatever you are using. For me, I'm gonna be using CapCut for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to open my CapCut. Once you open your CapCut, if you are using the desktop version, you will see import. So click on import, and then you go ahead to bring in the clips, the videos we downloaded from Grok. You can see these are the videos, and maybe there's a one I mistakenly clicked twice. Okay, let me click on the first one, then I'm going to open. So here is the video, and then I'm going to long press it and then drag to the timeline. Then I'm going to go back, click on import. Then I'm going to click on the second one. I'm going to drag to the timeline. So far we've gotten 2 clips. Then I'm going to go back to import. I'm going to click on the third one. Okay, this third one is repeated. You can see the exact time, 5:40, 5:40. So I'm now going to click another one again. So here is the third one. I'm going to drag to the timeline. So far we've gotten 3 clips. So what you have to do, if you want to make any adjustments, you can just go ahead to adjust. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can make them to become one long video, because a lot of you have been asking me, after getting all those 60 seconds video or all those 10 seconds video, how do you make them to become one long video? So this is the process. So you have to come over here, click on export. Once you click on export, definitely the video will be meshed together and it will become one long video. Do you understand? Trust me, do not think that it is limited to these 3 videos that I can create using Grok AI. No, you can create as long as you want to create, provided you have the prompt and
Did you know that with AI, one single photo can turn into a
you have the time to create. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If there is anything you do not understand, kindly drop in the comment section. And if there is any video you want me to create next, also drop in the comment section. I will see to that. Do you understand? So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe,
Did you know that with AI, one single photo
like this video, and share it with another creator. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Goodbye.